The caged kittens. Oh yes, look at them, they're all delicious. Oh, this one here, this delicious one here going, I can get out of here. I just need to think about it some more. Oh, I don't think you can get out just yet, little princess. She says, I can, you know. I'm going to try at this other end here. Watch me. I think I'll just... Am I going to go up it? Oh, shit. There comes a human. They always spoil it, the humans. So that one at the back there with the two little smudges on his forehead, that one I think is Mike Myers. That one might be Austin Powers back there. His little face looks a bit like an Austin Powers. He's next to Ed Sheeran. And the other sausage cloud. And Habitat. And Peaches and Cream. And a sausage cloud. And that one is Jason Orange. Yeah, because he's very orange.